You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 14/11. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 5x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -11. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is x equals 14/11.